Hi everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to create accessible links which you should find beneficial to your everyday practice when using applications like Office 365, Drupal or any other third-party application. The two key areas that we'll focus on today are editing hyperlinks and creating descriptive names for hyperlinks. We'll also look at shortcut keys to quicken the process and explain why accessible links are so essential. To start with, we'll go to the two links at the top of this page. As you can see, these links are not descriptive links, but web addresses copied in verbatim. To edit any of these links, simply right-click on the link itself. So if I right-click on this link and click Edit Hyperlink, this will allow me to edit the text displayed with this link. So we want the address to stay the same, but we want to change the text that it displays. In this instance, it will be the Global Accessibility Awareness Day homepage. So I click OK. Now this link has a much more descriptive name, so it makes it much easier for me to understand, or anybody to understand where this link takes them, and that includes people who use screen readers. If you don't want to right click on it, you can also use the shortcut key, which is Control K. Remember, it's important to be descriptive when naming your links. So below are two examples of a similar paragraph of text. In here you can see the two different ways that the links were created. So in this first instance, what we have here is a click here. This is a non-descriptive link. This doesn't tell us where this link takes us to. It doesn't really give us information. And if you're using software like a screen reader, this click here will give you no context as to where this link will take you. Instead, what you should do is you should rephrase it like we've done here below. So instead of having click here, we have see Joe Blog's post. So we know exactly that this post is going to take us to Joe Blog's post and redirects us there. So just making it a little bit more descriptive makes it very easy for anybody, not just users with screen readers, to access the link that you need. Also in Office 365 now, it stores copied links. These copied links can be inserted using the Insert tab and Link option in apps like Word and Outlook. This means you can copy a link and it's readily available in your Insert tab. So if I open up a website like this, for example, and I copy the address at the top here, if I want to paste this into a document, for example, if I want to paste it in here, now if I just go up to here and I go Insert, Link, it's automatically ready here, click on that, and then it goes. And again, if I want to, I can just rename the link to something that's much more accessible, so IAAP homepage. So that's a link to the IAAP homepage. And that makes it a lot more descriptive for anybody using this Word document. So it's much easier to. And if you want to access that link up here at the top really quickly, it's the Alt key followed by N followed by I, and that will take you into your links. And then you can scroll up and down depending on what link you want to insert. So the next thing we're going to show you is how to use, or I guess how screen readers engage with Word documents such as this. Now I'll give an oversimplified demonstration of how screen readers interact with hyperlinks in a Word document. This should allow you to get a better understanding of why accurate descriptions of links are so important. What is a screen reader, you may ask? Well, screen readers are software applications normally used by people that are blind or have low vision that render images and text as speech output. This speech output allows screen readers to comprehend the information on the device. To access links, screen readers use software shortcuts. In this instance, Insert F7, which displays a list of links on a page or document. So if I click on this page, and I hit Insert F7, what it'll do is it'll bring me up this links list of all the links on the page. And as you can see from this list, link 1, which is the one that we edited, is descriptive. It's easy for someone using the software to understand where this link will take them. So if they click on that link, it'll direct them to that page. The second link, as you can see, is a long web address copied verbatim. It's non-descriptive, and it makes it difficult for anybody using this software to engage with the link.
https://the
as soon as the screen reader moves onto the link, it reads it out by individual character. That takes a long time and it's non-descriptive, making it very difficult for the user to engage with that link. The third link is the one that we also renamed. The fourth one, click here. As you can see, when the screen reader clicks on that click here, it has no context. It can't see the text before it. So it's very difficult for it to understand where that link is taking them. Whereas if you rename it like we suggested earlier as something like See Joe Blog's post, it's very easy for the software to understand that's where it's going to take me. The user knows where it's going, and then they can just click on to activate the link. So that's a really simplified version of how screen readers work with links and a document. And remember, if it's nondescript, the user won't know what it is and they won't be able to click on it. So that's why it's important to label your links.